welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be making our Maja Blanca. So before we start cooking guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Barb's Kitchen, and click the bell icon for more videos. And here are our ingredients for our Maja Blanca. I have here 1 big can of condensed milk, 2 big cans of evaporated milk, 6 cups of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 1/2 cups of white sugar, 1 big can of corn kernels, and last, our grated cheese for our toppings. And we also have 4 cups of water. We'll be mixing that together with the rest of the ingredients, and as well as 2 cups of water so we can dissolve our cornstarch in. All right, so we'll begin with our 6 cups of coconut milk, our evaporated milk, our condensed milk, our sugar, and our corn. Just mix everything together and let it boil. Mix it until all the rest of the ingredients are totally incorporated and our sugar has totally dissolved. Let's add in our 4 cups of water. While waiting for the mixture to boil, let's dissolve our cornstarch with 2 cups of water. Okay, so just have to make sure that it has totally combined. Right, this one. And this is it. We'll just have to wait for the mixture to boil and we'll have to mix this in together with the rest of it. Alright, so it's already boiling guys, so we just need to bring down the fire, adjust the fire into a very low flame, and then one more time mix the cornstarch mixture just to make sure that there are no lumps. Just continue stirring it in a very low fire. So creamy. Fire should be in the lowest. And continue stirring until all the liquid will evaporate. Alright guys, so this is already done. We've already stir this constantly. Yes, and this is done, and we'll just have to transfer this to our container. Go back to my container here with me. Turn off the flame and then transfer this to our container. Okay guys, I just have to flatten the surface with a spatula and wait for this to be totally cooled down before we'll put our cheese toppings. And then once it's down, cooled down totally, we'll just have to put this inside the fridge. Okay? Alright, so it's already flattened guys. We'll just have to wait for this to cool down totally before we'll put our cheese toppings. And once it's totally cooled down, we'll have to put this inside the fridge to let it sit completely. Alright? Okay guys, so this is already set and we just need to put our toppings, our cheese toppings on it guys. Okay, and here. And let this chill in fridge because it's delicious if this is served chill direct from the fridge. Okay, so this is already our finished product of our Maja Blanca. This is another quick, simple, cost-efficient recipe. So I hope you learned something from our video today. And before we go guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Barb's Kitchen, and click the bell icon for more videos. Alright, so see you again on our next sumptuous recipes, only here at Barb's Kitchen. Bye!